Muti penny Avraham Bemushi. Okatakye Afrifa and Avraham and one trim San Quasiafo Bebreben or Moti Parliament one. Silence at Omobi. Ah, Omobi. The moon country Avraham Bemushi, common sense family. Mulida, Wope 2024, or best standing. Or no Okatakye. This year be a third force. You're not third force there, hooray. Support the support. Na yenya, omienu. Oma dakre bo mu prim bang 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 bang. Why Dr Ren here? Edi asemwa, ye call electoral commission, ye call register mu mienu as political party 2024. Because obi see all die be die. Obi so say do or die. All die be die, do or die. Yempe wo mu bia, yempe mu bia, yempe do or die. And yempe all die be die. Hypocrite Ghanaians. Mumi enu nyina and the Mahama koka do or die. They say, hey Mahama, and MPP force and Mahama and what person head and one fan the banko or chin okufa do cast all die be die. And then one fan the banko. One fan the bajan and chroma de koye. More kaso bi slow. Obi en slow bia ho. Me say me nim baby a me call. It means slow wo. Ah. Sometimes when we talk these things, some people think we are like me hunu ni me Kumasi a Ghana Black Stars any Egypt. Ewo Kumasi abontene so. Munkobusa your friend is saying, Munyantechi no munkobusa no. Nyantechi no munkobusa no. Say Ghana Black Stars any Egypt. Munkobusa no. What miracles they see? Ewo friend is a stadium. Miracles they see here. Munkobusa say Dr Ren say Nyantechi Dr Ren say Yembebusa say a coin bear soon a Ghana for fire. Omu say Egypt for Ewo Kumasi America World Cup. Munkobusa no. Oh dry. Physically, we are prepared. Spiritually, we came ready. What I say? Yenim baby. Munkobu samo mo. Your friend is saying mo munipa we. Abrantie ye ne. They be amekas na no sunny sense. Sunny ya they be omamu information. Munkobusa Kennedy. Munkobusa Kennedy. Emra sebio. Na won fanu anu what tema. Come tema. No one fan. Mumusa ne say osofo ben, prophet ben, and a buyer be lane and sa won so a otimi start anu onante biem a wokoche anu tundra anu so wompe. Mumusa no. Ka say spiritually we are there. Yensro. We are ready. This will be now. No friend of journalist. Will be now or friend of journalist. No there. Or see a tuane cat ni pay master. Any your friend is an angel FMT. Obeka kofa the city of America. And they compare the foolish town of Brekum. Compare the foolish towns. Ewa Ghana no more. A fin kona koshakra. Koshakra. Tebi ansio ni busa ansio no sefre so because says free ejabudu ni burem. Aha ti edini eye budu burem. Aha ejabudu burem. Aha enye budu bura burem na ya ni budumbura ejabudu ni burem. Aha education. Obi busawa na wachira here. 40 million Africans and a American kwa. Who crow o continent now wo gold world diamond no box side no. Ade achi me no kasa sisi amanfo gina friends American embassy ye bomb pa ye rade ye amfa visa na ma me mewu. Me minimum nkofo bebrae omo ko American embassy wo manya visa Oma bottom ewa Ghana. Yes. Wini mo. Minimum confo bi o ko American embassy. Omenya visa no. They have given up life. They have given up life. Yes. Ewa now what the Ghana no the way a swagger. Everything we want to be like American. Ye ntadi shemu ye nantiemu ye kasemu ye ni yemu. We imitate them because we see them as the gods. How many people even know Brekum? And so Brekum one busa asa amanfo ni America beka cho see ni America. Busa na America busa do you know Ghana? How many people will even tell you see in Ghana? Memfasa Jimmy no memfa na mabrabom. Now you hearing. We free baby. And I am here what don't do we see baby. Be genuine and be real and be honest and truthful. Because that is the only way that will make your name last. Who can say your name will not last? Let's say Ghana, well, we have had a lot of presidents, but there's a president who is still like I saw Ndini is still fresh. It gives you hope. And now me a video where I say journalist be afa and any program ene. I was saying say cool na Guinea for here na Kenal Mama di no. Kenal Mama di no the godfather Alpha Conde and tete Kenal Mama di. One the son and suddenly go so jemu ewie sa boa ne mane ba France. Kenal Mama di. If you don't know, Kenal Mama di. For the people who does not know, the Kenal Mama di no na sefwe busuafo ni bi Sekou Touré. Sekou Touré was a friend to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. In Tiamra Kenal Mama di ye ku ni we no. All the officers work Guinea, all the friend is saying public offices, government offices no. Wa mo bia the friend is saying Kwame Nkrumah picture and the above. And what true as what your friend is saying, JJ Rollins say a dumrebina se elite for no, tete a yafo ne Nkrumah for no, the only way is say armed forces for a jifa hudi edema a yafoma. Again, all the government institutions, war picture and for about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, because Mamadi believes in Kwame Nkrumah. Yes. But they are uncomfortable why people don't remember them. If you want your name to be attached to the journalist, I want Bagana, it is about time, so we can't crano. Now we jai sa a twakasi nufwakasi journalism, Now we jai sa where there those kind of journalism I say yakofa 18 something near the babe count to say the Ivan Innocent Andra we have video our friend is saying Onia TV you busa the question no come with facts aptly put about who another is. And before Innocent Becca Dr Ren Canada say Kufado is a man without character. When he's buying when he be why am I some more MPP? No more MPP. When were you even a card-bearing member of MPP? Some of us were card-bearing member in the 90s. And you know. And you know. What do I say? We have decided not to associate ourselves with this corrupt governance. Yes, and they are very corrupt. From Ekufado to Nkofu Jubilee. All of them corrupt. And then Kennedy Japan, Kroyan, Nanone. Nano bokiti they be a sunny information. Ebi why misinformation, ebi why information, papa. Ya Kennedy Japan nano bokita ene they be a sunny nsui. Nano a friend is saying sunny they be a sunny nyome. And the beka chere say who person who Akufo-Addo I just all the $100,000 ako. Oh dry. Let's be real. Let's be real to the Ghanaian. For America. I'm for that bontin in into obi kurom no obi da bontin am dey fa me ho ben dey me hia ne se me kurom from Ghana for no free brekum enkonam desert so dey me yampo ne se brekum for dodo na nam desert so ekofa Libya wo eba e friend in Spain, Italy and na Morocco, Agadez mumbo dey ne mame me nuanom Libya for di ombe didi ombe nom eye gari ni nsuo ne ye de nam o gari ni nsuo